a cool little etude with beautiful melody and really pretty melodious textures that Wohlfahrt is experimenting with here. You should definitely work on those variations in the beginning of the etude listed in a smaller print. Really, really worth your time. Trust me, just do it. This will take the etude to a whole new level and also transform your playing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.